suffer. OCP, one corner party. OCP, party for everybody. OCP, come to the corner. OCP, no need to suffer. OCP, come over to where life is better. Enjoyment in the corner. OCP, give us your vote, we'll make you to trouble. Enjoyment forever. OCP, everybody. OCP, come to the corner.
Stop. Believe. Madam, put busy for us.
Hey! Wow! Hey! Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ava.
Hey! What are you trying to do?
I want just small sipping. I want to check if it contains sugar or alcohol. You go?
What? What's your concern? Do you have shop? Are you checking if it's cold or not? You want to do this, you must make sure that you get shop. You must have shop. This thing is for people that have shop.
Okay, no problem. I'll get shop.
What is this you're holding?
Oh, dead man will. I dey go read them for people when their father die. In what anya? Not be sleep while I play.
Na copy be that. What am I doing? Don't match me. You want to play last night and go. You want to play Liverpool. I don't know what happened. He said Liverpool deal with rich people. They said a draw.
Draw and win. No be the same thing. No be 1 point you go get. As that one don't cut, you go bring money, play again. You go they try your luck. Sell things where you go sell, they play till you win.
Sell? Bring money from where?
You know, say now where game the sweet to play. If you sell property, you buy property. You don't know.
No, come on, say you use to play the game.
Na can't and I go owe them. Okay, my go.
Yeah, they go.
Hey, now go.
Okay, now. Okay, later.
Like now home I they go.
We never reach.
Don't tell me that both of you have suddenly gone deaf and dumb. What is happening at the shop? That I keep recording shortages.
Even if one just people come,
No, stop! One after the other.
Every day we say something. These task force people will come one after the other. They will just be asking us for money.
Yes. These people from local government. Every time they come, it's either they are asking us for shop license or toilet levy. This one, today we pay this one, tomorrow we pay another one. So this time around, I told my brother that we are not going to fight them again. Instead of fighting them, we'll pay them money so that they should just go like that.
Every day.
So these people are back again?
Yes.
After we dealt with them in the past? Well, I am sorry for accusing you people of stealing. I'm sorry.
We are sorry too for all these things local government people are doing to us.
These people.
The other day.
We sold 3,000 naira. They came and collected 2,900.
Yeah, that was
beating you.
Yeah.
I bite him that day.
Waiting with that. Put them here. Son of a one. Put them now. What did they do? Now me see them now. Hey, as you first said na you pick them, not be me pick them. Huh? I said na me see them. See, make I warn you. Make I bless you never ask people about me. Huh? Before I enter your house, I be real courteous. Eh? Better courteous, no try am. I don't do 5 years for appeal court. I may be court mob there, I the mob court. I don't do 6 years for federal high court today. I be court sweeper. So no try me, I carry court to mind enter you now. You be courtist. Go drop this thing first. Say this thief for better than that. You don't call me thief? Huh? If you break it, you are going to use this thing for your head now. Wait, now fight the hungry. Oh. Now fight is hungry you, ba.
Maybe you dey pull blouse for me.
Oh, now fight is hungry you.
You dey pull blouse for me. You dey pull blouse for me. You dey sit down. You dey my house. They chop my food. You dey pull blouse for me.
That's in your house. That's in na hot oh, na hot. Nothing. You no be your mate dey rent house where AC dey. You carry me keep where heat.
No problem. Na hot. No worry. Come back to the schnapp.
Nonsense. What did I use that place do? Nonsense. In fact, you don't even big pass thief. Now I'm robber. Be. In fact, now I'm robbery.
Please. Thief. Nadi. Thief.
Thief.
Listen, no be. How Joshua go keep my bag? If you change pad, I don't know to do this. Keep my bag outside now. Joshua, landlord lock our door. You know them house rent.
You don't pay him now. So na error. As you carry him back, my friend, carry your bag and your problem go. No, na me be landlord now.
See, if you change padlock, you give me key. No, they do this canteen. Say my bag. That's I don't understand. I beg. Give me key my entire house. Why they look me like this now? I know what's in the vex you. Now because of small iron, now make you just the vest like this. Now just common iron, no.
Oh, so you know. Okay, I no get problem with you. My mind don't clear. Carry your bag and load. Begin to the commode.
Bishop, no good though. It no good though. If those when live for duplex, do guy with house, you won't live for this kind of house.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. They insult you. Huh? See as you be. This house, no, me and you, I did this house alone. Ever since you come inside this house, this small house, every day, it's as if it is snow for night. The foundation of this yard is going to shake. It will be like a generator we don't serve this country for 50 years without proper service. Nonsense. See generator we don't service well. All in the name of snoring. Only you alone, your nose alone, don't carry all the breeze where they this neighborhood, where they inside this house. I go to struggle with oxygen just because one human being there. See as you be.
See, no insult me because
Shut
of
up your mouth.
Common house.
Common house, no problem. You're low day here now. Carry.
Okay.
If I were you, I would just pack all this. See this blouse where they wear so. No worry, continue.
See, remember me and you are friends, so we don't chop. We dey chop together, play draft together.
See as you be. If you leave, look. Mind yourself. If you know see, get out.
Where you want my go now?
No, not go. Stay there. Vagabond. You know see rich.
This guy don't make me cry. I go cry. Man, them play boy, I can't remember. Where I go? I go. But I don't know where I go. For sure I go. But the truth is say where I won't go. No place there where I go. Kai, I go. There'll be place to go. I'll be going. I go till I find going place. No, I know if you go.
Scrap iron! Scrap iron!
Please, I have some rusted iron, which I hope to dispose. I don't know if you're interested.
I'm interested. Wait, let me park my motor. Scrap iron!
See them.
Okay.
Chelo. Just like that.
How?
I beg, bring money, Biko. Bring money.
No, nah, just, you know, one time now, so I just want to come out it out.
See, let me tell you, my neighbors, they make plenty money from all these things where they see here. So, just give me money. Let me just get inside. I don't have your time.
Money? Well, since I feel say you won't use your mind, take, throw away this thing. I just want, I may dispose it.
I'm selling it. So, give me money, please. Give me money.
Take.
What is this? 100 naira for all these metals. I beg, bring money, Joe.
They call all this, they talk all this metal, heavy. Okay, I just want to support you for mineral in case you want to take mineral.
Which mineral? Bring money, Biko. Bring money.
How much, Zef?
1,000 naira.
1,000?
Yes.
Now you no go collect mall. Now you no go rent supermarket. They sell scrap iron.
See, let me tell you, I don't have time. I don't have a time, oh. Give me money, let me go.
Give me my money. Give me. Carry. You too stupid.
Get out.
Siam. Your mates, they work for gas. You they work for this kind of thing. I don't know whether now we should be for the other side.
That was entrusted in the hands of your nephews. At least they should be accountable of the sins that is happening in it.
I don't want them to think I'm suspecting them.
You don't want them to think you're suspecting them. Wait till they run your town. Or maybe when you go to the village, you will realize what they've done to you.
We're going to sort it out.
You better do.
Okay, Emeka.
Customer. How are you?
Fine. I beg. Thank you. You get fashion lady.
Yeah, we'll have it.
How much is it?
It's 16,000 naira.
Eh? No, how? Okay, make 15.5 now.
The price of things have increased, so you have to take it like that. Please.
Okay, Meka. I hope it's an original one.
Don't worry.
Make it not give me pimples.
It's a very good one. You will like it.
Oh, yeah, do fast. Okay, Meka. Okay, Meka, do. I don't get time. What's happening?
I bought a carton of it last week, and I've not sold any of it, and I can't find them again.
Okay, Meka, wait. I think we know say you get rascals for this shop.
Rascals?
Oh. You don't know. Those boys are rascals now. People they chop fries and chicken anyhow. The other time I was here to buy something, and they refused to sell to me. They said I should wait for them to finish eating or wait for the owner to come, which is you. So you don't have it. Let me go to another place. It's not my fault now. Sorry, yeah.
Labor.
Where is my money?
Huh?
Where is my money?
Your money is in the locker.
Which locker? I got a report how you people are lavishing my money, eating rice and salad every day you go to shop.
No, something like that.
They're even lying. Eh? You know it. Eh?
He has been accusing us of stealing his money.
Yes, and we've been working so hard for him, and he forgot that he spends money recklessly on that wife that he wants to marry.
Okay, let it not be that I'm accusing both of you.
But have both of you stolen from him before?
Like if you're hungry, if Udenta is hungry, we'll go and eat. If you don't have money, because we'll sell. Like the other day, you said you wanted us to eat chicken.
I will take money and eat.
Because we were looking as if we don't have blood again in our body. So we went and they bought chicken.
The one that I used to play bet for both of you, did they use blood for chicken for betting too?
Have you forgotten that you were the one that introduced us to this betting? You came and told us that Liverpool will play Arsenal and that Liverpool will win and we'll get money. I will give you money.
Okay, you people are blaming me.
And you're still owing me for that last one, Arsenal loss.
Yes, you were supposed to give us 1,320 naira.
Don't go to that side. The drink, Uncle.
There's no way we can eat without drinking. And the other day, that drink.
So now, what are your plans?
We want to join your business.
Eh?
At least I'll make some money.
It's not going to be easy.
Sorry.
Do you think the guy is your village? Does it look like your village, Mr. Man? Now take this jalopy out of my way right now.
Cost me, no cost this thing. I am a proud collector of cost from a fine girl. Cost me. No cost this thing. Why should you cost this ordinary thunder fire this?
Are you deaf? Nikki, are you deaf?
What do you call me, Nika?
Must not hot. Remove this jalopy out of my way right now.
What do you call me, Nika? Huh?
You don't want to remove it.
Call me boxer.
You don't want to remove this.
Fine. Call me anything. I beg. Cost me.
Excuse me, leave the way. I want to go.
Kill me.
You don't want to go.
Kill me.
You don't want to leave my way. Stay there. Don't move. Come out.
What kind of fineness? The quarrel never even be like quarrel. Hey! For the first time in my life, fine girl cost me. In a dress. You be fine girl? Are you fine?
How? Tina, finally you're here. I'm so sorry. Sweetheart, I'm so sorry.
Girlfriend, you were the one that suggested here, so why keep us waiting?
Okay then, slay me. I said I'm sorry. I was intruded on my way coming here by some, just... Meanwhile, what are you guys doing outside here? We should be inside popping some tamp. Come on, let's go. I'm here. Let's go.
Yeah. Come. Carry him. Don't give me money. I won't go buy land. No, I will go buy a estate. Quick now. You dey call the money where you won't give me. Okay. What happened to the other one?
That one not be your own, na my own. Collect this your own.
$4,000. Money. Carry my bungalow back. No one will be your money. No get I don't say to you. Oh yeah, take your money back. Carry your truck. That is one for my you don't want to get
Now like this, you want to make money. You don't go scatter this place, see whether I go get iron.
You got to check out that.
Give me a hand to
See how you know. Come on, see this one.
Iron.
Is this not iron? See this one now.
Now you know. This one a bit iron.
Eh?
If you carry this one reach, this one feel cut that sprig like if you just cut up.
Wow, that means you can make like 50,000.
Hey, mama. 50 what?
50 or 100,000 self.
This is not be kilometer they go measure am na kg o. Na kg na better iron o. Hey.
Hey.
They go. Hey. This one na more than kg o. This one no be kilo again.
So this one can give us like 50,000 naira.
Hey, mama. 50.
It was 100,000. I don't know now. Come on, help us carry this thing now. Let me check it. It's more than like. It's 10 kg.
Yes, now.
Measure and weigh.
2, 4, 6. Now 6 kg.
6 kg?
Yes. Now 6 kg. Now I know they say. Ndubisi. You know as they be now 6 kg they here. And waiting I go give you now for 1 kg na 30 naira.
No, be 30 naira. You can give us 15 naira.
15 naira.
You don't tell them.
What say you want make I talk? They talk say the one we bring today na 15 naira they go say 1 kg. Price wey they change for your place. Sell am for them 50 na.
Hey, you don't hear them.
15 naira.
See, let me tell you people. This period where we dey now, we dey buy 30 naira. If you no go sell am, more na carry una thing comot here.
See, wait, make I tell you now. We don't suffer like this. Make we just sell am like this. 30 naira carry this money come out here. I don't like this thing, but we dey here the waste time.
See, if you collect the 30 naira, 30 times 6, na 18, we will give you 30 naira. We share the 150.
Thunder fire you. No be you talking. Thunder fire you. You the mad? Inside me, who senior? You were?
What if you were? See, okay, don't worry, we're not sell again.
That's you. Come even sell at 20 naira for us. We don't even need 30 naira. I don't fear you.
Now 50 naira.
You don't get picture for either for your village.
Which kind of picture?
I got you because you are 20 naira.
Come on, carry this.
Who? If you try him, if I get you, you go regret to know me. What? Try him.
I don't know what's wrong with the car. I just got to this place and it went off. It's been like this since today. And I have a very important appointment to...
It's okay, it's okay. Can you open the bonnet?
Why? Are you a mechanic?
No, it's okay. No, I can try.
Are you sure?
I think when you were, it was doing partial contact.
I don't know, it just keeps coming up off on all of that.
Okay, hold on first.
I don't really know much about cars.
It's okay. It could be the battery head they touch.
I see.
But it's like you've forgotten me.
Sorry, I can't remember. Remind me.
I am the person now that you almost jammed with his limousine the other time.
Oh, yes, I remember you. I am so sorry. The guy almost knocked down the road. I'm so sorry. You know, I was in a very bad mood that day. Pardon me. Okay, let me get you. This is my card. Just holler at me. Call me whenever you're free. You could come visit me so you could talk, you know.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
What's with that?
I just had a dream. It must be a good dream, Abi. Yes, I had a dream where I was contesting for election, where I want to become the president.
Hey, that's good now. It's a good dream. Hey, it's a good dream.
When did you start interpreting dreams?
Wait. You, as in you why no? You now they interpret dream. Where you there when Pharaoh did the 5 person go interpreting own for him? Huh?
It means that he will become rich. That's the meaning. You don't know.
Even if I become a millionaire, I don't want to be a politician.
You don't say you particularly you. The way they talk, I they look you one kind eye. You don't forget something. He said that for dream, when the president. Life here na Bakra Team Jump condemn iron, condemn aluminium, condemn battery.
I don't forget that one. See, let me tell you. Why is it that I don't want to be a politician? See, if you have money, you become a millionaire. And then by becoming a millionaire, you can become a politician. And when you become a politician, you can even be a governor. And you have everything. Everybody will be answering, sir.
Wait.
You don't like it.
You.
Last time we were doing campaign, was it 2 of us? Or just you were there.
Me, Nko? Okay. Come on, go pick iron.
It means that we're going to have money.
Mo go pick iron. Bakra. Mo go before time go.
Please go back and sleep again so that when you see me driving motor.
No, they carry rubber. Now you go find.
Fine iron. Fine iron. Give me.
This one is iron.
This one no good.
You know good. Why they put that for your bag?
This one na dirty bag. Fine iron.
No, they carry rubber. No, why you won't carry rubber? Go where they sell iron.
You should take this thing.
That's in na rubber.
Iron and rubber.
This one now, you know, say now, just 3 feet. Yes, where you be? I will give you 500. You just say,
I tell you 50,000 naira you give us.
now gold you carry come, why will give you 50,000?
Now roasted gold.
Oga beg, come.
I better when I wait, make I settle this man.
Continue.
As I say,
Yeah.
this one are the balance. Why you know say the last supply I no pay you.
Yeah, you not complete them.
So make you take this one.
Okay, no worry.
You don't complete now, ba?
Yeah.
Oga, you come now, come now. We can't something come. You know that. You don't want to attend to us.
Now wetin be that now, eh? No be person me and am there they talk. Why not they make una wait now? Make I settle this person. Now I go come settle una.
No, they quarrel. You two like quarrel past fight. Now buying will just bring this to make you buy. We still get plenty grant to cover, and now you be the only buyer we will get. No, they quarrel.
Oh yeah, no problem. You don't complete your account. Oh yeah, let me. Oh yeah, carry your own, come.
Yeah.
Now 50,000, no scale.
Make I no scale am. Give you 50,000. See your mouth.
Carry on.
Come, it be like say we will begin the add sand inside this to make the heavy.
No.
You go begin add waiting.
No. Well, you go reach 100 kg.
Oh, I no talk am.
40,000.
2, 4, 6, 8. Now 10 kg be this.
No, this is the bad
10 kg.
Come on, now provoke. Which can 10 kg?
Wait, I got
Add this one. I got that to be 10 kg.
Who be that? Who be that? Eh? Who the talk? Who you? Never buy gate before. Who you be? Say they not for person gate.
If I just go come and tell me, say, now you be the accession dog where them put for his compound. Instead of you to talk like this. Huh? Who you be? I just try to help you do your work. I get experience for this work.
Nah, because say you get experience for the one. Now you don't want to tell me who you be. Eh? You open person gate, enter inside. You know go tell the gate man who you be.
So this small power and uniform, where they so give you now they shock you for head. Go call me Tina. Tell her and say Joshua to wait and forget.
See, may I tell you, even if you say your name now, Elisha, I'll make you pack the whole names where they for Bible. I no go call Tina for you. With this kind bad mouth where you take the follow me. I no go call Tina for you today. Find my Oga picking come.
I go take everything where you go just do me for this gate. The one where I no go take, I'm out order. So all this one, no bath me with spit. No just try her. Channel your mouth this side, talk. And use eye contact, and I know you are talking to me.
You know the kind rank why I don't get for this gate where they touch me, they talk.
Wait
for my duty post.
Waiting.
Which can't be this one?
You report me as using finger for face.
I go dissample you.
Okay, here you go. Once again, you're welcome to my home.
Thank you.
My parents will soon be here.
This is your house. It's fine, no? See that silly. He's far. He be like sky.
You have not seen anything yet, trust me.
You know, I like this kind of ceiling because me, I can like to swear. I swear. That time, if you stay in house where ceiling no far, you swear your hand, fan go cut your hand because of swearing. But this no matter if you like carry your hand, swear like ceiling is too far.
I'm serious. You like it?
It's digital kono.
What's kono?
No. You know no.
No.
Fura. They are in the same category, same family. That is what we used to do while I was in the north. But this one.
Well, Dad, Mom. Sir. Hello. Daddy, meet my friend Joshua.
Okay. Good afternoon. Good. Well done.
Daddy, you remember the guy I told you that helped me fix my car? He's the one.
Oh, right. Welcome.
Oh, sorry. sorry. I come and first and sit down when the owner of the house and the landlord and landlady don't sit down.
So that's all right. Sit down. How are you?
It's fine.
Our daughter have told us a lot about you. So, what do you do?
That's nothing. It's not me. They want to spoil my name. I didn't do anything. Evil people. That's how they used to start. They go and damn back person and go and tell person that person has done anything. God, thank God, this your house. If ever swear, I swear I didn't do anything.
Sorry. What I'm trying to ask you is what you do for a living.
Okay. What I do, I collect. That give me, I give you. Like, I collect. I pay money, small money. You like it is a collecting something. It is a exchange. All the things that you don't use in the house, like feeding bottle of your children, where you don't need all those old slippers and things. You like your glass case where you size your former glass again. You give all the things I collect.
Dad, what he is trying to say
I am a collector.
He's into industrial recycling.
Even bicycle, as he talks, so I collect it.
Your friend is fun. It is small.
That's what they used to tell me. I've been walking along the road. People will be laughing.
Young man, can you tell us more about yourself and where you come from?
Okay, my ancestors are warriors.
Say what?
My ancestors are warriors. That is why sometimes, even as I am right now, my hand is scratching me to do boxing. If you do like this, and I say, no, hold yourself.
My sweet baby, you just sweet me like sugar. You don't make me to wonder. I go love you forever.
My man.
Picking.
Joshua. How far?
Hi, Ibi.
How things?
I got handy day.
You don't go work today?
I go. I just look the condition of this tire and spoke. It be like I don't late.
I don't remember. What of that babe, that girl, Fred, we say he go give you condition for job?
My brother, we repackage the relationship small. He go give me. But first of all, he don't carry me introduce, give him papa. So now from there, very soon, they go put me for the mainstream.
She don't introduce you to him, papa? Joshua, you are a moron. Fool. If I be you, after that introduction, I need to go anywhere. I will stay there. First thing in the morning, I will greet Oga, good morning, sir. I'll bow. I'll wash his car. I'll help do other things, other washings and other things.
So all of them go together head together, say, hey, this boy is a good boy. Oh. He need the help, let's help him. Just watch yourself after the introduction. Eh? Are you a fool? New idiot. Joshua, it's only advice. If you don't like him, throw him. Please, na beg. Now within something carry me come, I dey cook one janja jollof rice. I'll make you give me small salt. I think that please. Small.
If you see that salt for market, you know what call am this thing.
No now. No now, just go there and take.
Here. Wash your hand, put. Bible say you are the salt of the earth. Just carry water, wash your hand, put inside the rice. Leave my own salt where I buy for market, idiot.
Just because of salt? Because of salt?
What is no?
Hey. Because of salt? You're my friend, though.
I am not your salt. I am only your friend.
My yellow CC, my sweet baby, you dey sweet me like sugar, you dey make me to wonder, I go love you forever. Sweet papa, I need you more and more. If they like me, then die. It will be you and I. Our love will not go scatter. This one pass love, oh. Now love with Ijara. Your love to the sweet, oh. It dey making me to crazy, oh. My yellow CC. This one pass love, oh. This one pass love, oh. Now love with Ijara. Love with Ijara. Your love to the sweet, oh. It dey making me to crazy, oh. My yellow CC. This one pass love, oh. This one pass love, oh. Now love with Ijara. Love with Ijara. Your love to the sweet, oh. It dey making me to crazy, oh. My yellow CC. This one pass love, this one pass love, I love with Ijara, love with Ijara, your love to the sweet, it dey make me to crazy, my yellow CC. This one pass love, this one pass love, I love with Ijara, love with Ijara, your love to the sweet, it dey make me to crazy.
Honey, you're back.
This is so wonderful.
And what is it?
Joshua, the one our daughter introduced to us. He is hardworking. Just take a look around the compound. You'll see things for yourself.
Yes, I've got a glimpse of that.
I could barely recognize my own home. The cars are all washed. Not Sammy, who lazes all about the whole place. That reminds me, honey.
Yes, my dear.
Have you decided on the job to give to him?
He has no credentials, so my hands are tight on what job to offer him.
But honey, you can do something for him. I mean, you can do a lot for him. And our daughter will appreciate it.
I will think about that later.
Think about it. Let me go upstairs and change.
That's all right.
What I am just doing right now is called blocking and cornering. Ngozi, where's my food? Because I am not going to live here an inch without my food on. I've been working since morning. Yet, instead of you to give me food, you carry food to go and give Sammy. All this nonsense is because of what now?
Anyways, that kitchen, see that kitchen? It's my department. My territory. So I decide who eats and who doesn't.
Exactly. Ngozi alias, if men were God, you decide who to eat. Or you decide who eats and who does not eat on top of your money. Is the money for the food your own money? Some other person's money. Look at your life. There's more power that you're being given to now. Look at the way you're puffing like popcorn. Just look at the way you're behaving like periwinkle. A very good forgive. I don't know. What I am just telling you is this. Get me my food. If not, you're not leaving this place.
Look at your word mouth. Give me a thing. Talking of the food, it's turn by turn. When it gets to your turn, I will decide if you eat.
When it is my turn, you will give me my food. Ngozi, aka if men were God. Just look at your life. You want to kill me in this house, you want to starve me to death, you are not going to succeed. Now, I've seen your type. I've seen your type. You will not kill me in this house. It is yourself that you will kill. Look at you. Ordinary human being. Look at you. Just look at.
Let me just go and ask Sammy if he's about to eat. Then I will go and serve him first. Then after him, I will decide if I will give you your own food yet.
Wait, you don't see pap where they put for microwave before? Now so your face just be like, you do.
Just stand there.
Just it be like donut. Donut complexion. This one where just they talk now. If the food not gonna come now. Na ambulance thing so. Wait. Calm down, please. Not too somersault. All the worms within inside my belly now don't this jump somersault. Now the lead worm, now the whole soup.
You mean this is where you live?
This is our yard. Yes. Wow. This is our yard. This is where I stay. I'm happy that you've even come. There's one fine girl here. She is Miss Yard. Miss Yard. When she see you, she'll start to fear and know that where her fineness stops, that is where another person only starting.
I have to start going.
Come and take small thing now, even if it is a bottle of a cup of water.
No, thank you. I mean, my parents should be expecting me to back by now.
Just a little water is okay.
I'm okay, Joshua. Maybe some other time.
Okay. It's okay. So, are you sure you're going to see back, or I should conduct for you?
I can see well, I can drive. I mean, I'm the one who drove to this place.
I mean in back, see back.
Yeah.
No problem, now begin to start to the comfort.
My sweet baby, you dey sweet me like sugar. You dey make me to wonder. I go love you forever. Sweet papa, I need you more and more.
Baby,
if you like me, then die. It will be you and I. Our love will not go scatter. dey sweet, oh. It dey make me to grace.
This is wonderful. Our people say, if one begin to see unfamiliar sights, then his death is coming.
Not at all, my friend. You are not dying yet.
Well, thank you very much.
So nice to meet you again after a long time, Chief Okafo.
It's a pleasure.
Come on. When was the last time we saw each other?
Do I need to remind you of that? Chief Abichi.
Thank you very much. Let me introduce my son, Engineer Raymond, a civil engineer based in South Africa.
Wow, the little Ray.
You can say that again.
Wonderful. Come and shake me.
Well, let us cut to the chest.
That's right.
My son here has come to pluck a ripe fruit he saw in your compound.
Chief Abichi. Well, Raymond, have you seen my daughter before?
Yes, sir. I met her at a friend's party last month, but though she barely recalled our growing up years.
Okay, that's right. Well, then I'll have to call my wife first. Ugom? Ugom?
Honey?
Come on. Chief Amechi.
You called me.
Yeah, honey,
Welcome.
we have visitors. Do you remember Chief Amechi way back in Kano? Raymond's father.
Oh my God. Chief Amechi. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm all right. How is the family?
They are fine. See, you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you. I believe this must be Raymond.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I see the semblance. Oh, you look exactly like your late mom, Ibn Abu.
The cat has come to roast. Raymond here is an engineer.
Wow, that's
and he's
great.
seeking the hand of our daughter in marriage. So, why don't you go in and call her so that she can say hi to our visitors?
It's okay. I'm coming.
Chief Amechi.
Chief Okafo, always looking good.
Don't worry, girlfriends. Finally, when I save enough money, I'm gonna buy those shoes on that plaza.
That is the least of my worries.
Man's not hurt. Guys are not serious.
Mom.
Is everything alright?
Yes, there is no problem. You are coming with me. Your dad wants you to say hi to our visitors.
Excuse me, girls. Alright. I'm right behind you, Mom.
It's okay.
See those shoes? My eyes are still on it.
You don't have anything to say.
Okay, girls. I have to... Okay. You guys can come back. Alright. So, I'll be right back.
Alright. My eyes are still on those shoes.
Hey, Raymond.
Hey, Tina.
You see, they remember each other. How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine, sir.
My dear, this is a long-time friend. We're back in Kano, Chief Amechi.
Welcome, sir.
You're welcome. You can go back now. Chief Amechi, I will discuss with my daughter, then I will get back to you. You have no problem. Chief Amechi.
Chief Okafo.
It's been long.
Yes, I remember.
Okay. They were here for a reason. And the engineer Raymond is asking your hand in marriage.
He is a responsible man. and also an engineer.
I am not interested.
You say what?
You heard me. I mean, I still have my education to complete. Until I'm done with that, I'll be able to consider any marriage proposals.
See, my daughter, you are right. But this is the right time for you to get married as a young girl and start a family of your own. Besides, women are like the morning glory and they fade out like the evening sun. You can continue your education even as a married woman.
Well, Mom, I have made my decision and that is final. I am so sorry to disappoint the both of you.
So I suggest to continue to walk around my residence until we get something better for you to do.
Okay, sir.
As you can see, the compound is a very big compound. And Sammy might need a helping hand.
I will helping hand him, sir.
That's all right. That's all right. Meanwhile, you'll be coming from your home until we get a place for you at the boss quarters.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir.
What is it? You say what?
They scratch me for mouth to talk, but my mind they tell me not to talk, but I must to talk.
All right, go ahead.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, see, the thing be say, you know, I for talk say make you no do. I for talk say make you shave, but no shave. You know say this your white baby for this side with this green way they wear so it be like Nigerian flag. Yes. So when they see you green white, you carry green cap, you don't turn Nigerian carnival.
Excuse me, where do you say you come from?
It's not a laughing matter.
Wait.
No, serious. What I'm telling you is the truth.
Wait, how come? Is the policeman, was he drunk?
Drunk how? There's nothing being, there's nothing drunk or...
Like, you mean a policeman just stops a motorcycle just for him to be able to on his inner light for him? It doesn't make sense.
You know the year default setting. Now like that the thing be inbuilt. The thing you don't use inner light, so they in mouth you don't condition to the inner light, in tongue don't condition to the inner light asking. So even if you're walking on your leg just by yourself,
they will ask you to on the inner light too.
The thing go escape from your mouth before you go know. That is on default mode. The inner light asking.
This is serious. Wow, they're so funny, you know. Don't forget this story.
Let me come and be going. You know there is work tomorrow.
Why not? You want me to cry? I'd have loved to spend more time with you. Don't go now.
Like the way they don't. Why not? Don't worry. Today is one day. Tomorrow is another day. I have to begin to come out so that your father will not sack me. That is how something where person the chop where they sweet and from out. Now they attract sack.
I'm not serious. Okay, since you've insisted on going, let me just say
yes.
I have the cartridge ready.
Yeah, let me come and start. No, wait first. You want to walk like this and No.
What's wrong with
No, the reason why I was comfortable is because you were in the house. If breeze now carry this thing up now to look like one agreed fowl is stranded, just go inside and go and change and wear something. Or you just see me off to just the tire of this car. Let me begin to go. No. All this is because of breeze.
Let's go. I'll see you.
Wait first. Hold it like this. And walk like this. Lovely.
Let's go.
Hold it.
Your love to the sweet, it dey make me to crazy. My yellow CC. This one pass love. This one pass love.
It's okay now, no problem. For me to tell you to come down, let's go inside the house. That one is a case of no need.
Said by who? How did you know? I mean, I had already promised you that I would come down someday. At least to have a drink with you. But for today, I'm just dropping you off.
Okay. Let me come and begin to go.
Okay.
See, don't drive speed and around about give way to traffic on your left.
I promise I will give way to traffic on my left.
Lovely and nice.
Damn, easy.
Sorry. You know, to jam, tuke. That mastered me. So, I used that hand to come and jam your own. I'm sorry.
No problem. Just take it easy some next time. Bye-bye.
This one pass love. This one pass love. I love with Ijara. Love with Ijara. I love it to the sweet. It dey make me to crazy. My yellow CC. This one pass love. This one pass love.
For my babe.
I don't know, can I hear this your girlfriend say I will give person for this year? She fine.
Go give person, you never die since. Which kind of nonsense be this? I dey wave my babe. You follow the wave my babe.
You don't be my friend, I dey help you to do the bye-bye.
You get what I go do. You go less, I swear. You go just less. I go just come out this tube. You go less. You regress. I won't go. My babe don't go. I feel fight you now.
No, there is no sharing.
What? I get. You can't love.
You want start this fight again?
Don't go fight.
You want start this fight again?
We can love and share.
I don't get the strength.
Go come out this pillowcase. When people want to die, everybody is a legend. Exit of a titan. Ordinary people know they die.
I go love you forever. Sweet papa.
Like this one, bravo.
If they like me, then die. It will be you and I. Our love will scatter. This one pass love. Now love with Ijara. Your love to the sweet. It dey make me to crazy. My yellow CC.
Mommy.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mommy. I missed you.
I missed you too, you know that.
Yes, Mom.
Welcome, Mama.
Hi, Joshua. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. See you inside.
Okay,
This one pass love. This one pass love. Now love with Ijara. Love with Ijara. Love to the sweet. It dey make me to crazy.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll be at the pool.
You may come. Sit down.
Mom, what is it?
I'm not comfortable with you being close to that boy.
What do you mean, which boy? Joshua?
Yes, Joshua. He's becoming too close for comfort.
Mommy, there is nothing between us. This is just two friends trying to keep each other company. I don't see anything wrong with that.
My daughter, what I see lying down, even if you climb on top of a tree, you cannot be able to see it. I have made my point clear.
Yes, Mom. Can I go now?
Wow, idiot. Why?
Sammy, make sure none of them lives here.
It's
I beg you, don't give me. I'm still a small pikin, I see the song bless.
Okay, let me call their next now.
Sorry, I go talk all my through. I go talk, Oga bless. Oga beg, Oga bless. I go talk all my through. I beg no vex. I take God beg you, don't kill you. Hey. Shut up then. Okay, Oga say, I just want my love because I want to marry Orota. Now I go and see this idiot. I don't know what I just say he go fit talk better dog. I don't know say how person go from Calabar. He come get Igbo father.